fact that I'm awake right now, it's 7 a.m. is a miracle. Oh, hey, there's Alex. I swear to God, if he's loud, I'm going to murder him. Aww. Oh, you are happy. You want Red Bull? It's quite nice to be awake this early, actually. The air smells pretty good. We got the whole gang here. We got... Oh, that's my alarm. That's my alarm to wake up. We got White Test Jr. in the M2. We got my Huracan back there. We got the R7. And of course, the fastest of all, Amelia's A3 e-tron. Heard this thing makes like 1,700 horsepower.
Good morning, how are you?
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hello.
Morning. And good morning. No, what is the show? I just bought it because it looked nice. I'm not lying. I don't know what this is. I mean, I like recognize them from like memes.
He has no idea. No idea.
I've seen memes of these guys on like World Star. That's about it. Let's rock and roll. Move your race car, unfortunately. It is too illegal for the streets. You're gonna get your car. You're gonna get your A3 state ref. Arnold.
Everyone already left. Alex is lagging. He wanted to go get his sunglasses. This is probably the most hated Lamborghini on the internet. It looks so much cooler in person though than it does online, I must say.
It's okay, you can borrow my super stunner shades if you need them.
I wish, but I'm like blind, so I can't really. I need my prescription sunglasses. I think I left them at AGX yesterday. Such a nice view. Lamborghini dashboard. Flexing. It's so violent. I'm not even there yet, and like a mile down the street, I already see cop lights. Odds I'm gonna go to jail today?
I can drive this back, right?
Pretty high. Yeah, if I go to jail. Oh my God, look at all these kids.
Whatever you want, dude.
I just straight banged and popped my car right in front of a cop. I don't think he cares.
He was like,
He has like literally bigger worries. Like,
Hey, Choi!
Where do I park?
we're just gonna keep driving back and forth, right? That's the plan
I'm literally
here.
just gonna drive back and forth until I find a damn parking spot.
Come on, dude, you got this.
I don't have a backup camera. It's literally the most, like, backing your car up or like parking it is probably like the most dangerous part while driving. I'm gonna scrape. Way too many people are staring at me trying to park this car right now, and like parking is my worst nightmare.
Look what you're driving.
How are you guys up right now? Jesus. Like, about to fall asleep. What are you guys all doing on Saturday morning? You guys need a life.
Yes.
Do you know what this is?
I know I've seen it. I can't remember.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's Alex Choi! Alex Choi! Woo! Alex Choi!
Run me over, I'll just file an insurance claim.
What's up, bro? How you been? Long time.
How are you?
Dude, is it gonna rain today, bro?
Yeah?
It is?
Just for you, it's gonna rain.
Oh.
Ow. There's so many people here, it's ridiculous. Thanks. Oh, poor Uber.
about parking. Yeah, when Alex rolls up, they're like, hey man, it's clear out room, we got a spot right up front for you.
VIP.
I mean, that's actually really nice of Rolf to do that, but like every other year or every other time I have to come to PML, literally it's just like trying to find parking. Oh, they're like, cops. I'm a strawberry aside, I'm a double smoked pecan.
Double on?
Pecan, bacon.
Oh.
Everybody's getting ready to leave.
We're late. Alex is literally blocking everyone in the driveway right now.
Let's go.
Well, you didn't pay me enough to do this.
I'll give you another $1.
Alex, you are crazy, bro.
My sunglasses off for an honest reaction. Oh, this car brings so much joy.
There's a bike cop pulling out with us right there.
Yeah,
he knows we're coming.
You're about to get pulled over, son. Oh boy. Whoa! We're broke.
It's Cop Central today. It's literally cops. They know we're here. Like,
Of course.
they're waiting here.
Well, there was one bike cop that took off after a couple people. There's 2 more sitting at the gas station. Another as we were going straight at the crossing. Oh yeah. I smell pecan today. Oh, we both like, whoa.
I was going the speed limit too. I was going right at the speed limit and I slammed on my brakes.
Look at this
Oh,
traffic.
there's a cop like 10 cars behind.
He's coming up, he's coming up. Bad boy is what you gotta do.
I already know.
Oh, he's looking at you in the
Why do I
side
feel
mirror.
like he's just gonna pull me over?
He's looking at you.
He is looking at me. I already know it. I'm gonna get pulled over. Oh boy. I've been behind this motorcycle cop for like, how long? Like, we've been here for like 15 minutes now.
Yeah, easy.
He is, out of those 15 minutes, he's been looking at his mirror for 14 minutes. Hey, I don't think he might rear end that guy. He's literally not even looking straight. Just checking the mirror, checking the mirror, checking the mirror.
Man, this cop's ruining the tunnel. What a letdown.
I should do it anyways.
Dude, you are. What button is it?
No. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna go to jail. Are you kidding me? It's a good day out. Not too sunny. We're in Malibu. Driving on Malibu Canyon Road. Getting our own police escort. Enjoying my bacon sandwich.
A rough life, huh?
Which is cold, by the way, so it's not that great, but I'm living the dream right now. I mean, police escort all the way to Malibu. That's awesome.
Like, alright, we're here. Oh.
Oh my Enjoy that unicorn
Oh, look at
donut.
that.
Hey,
Unicorn V3, brother.
thank you so much. That's awesome.
That's cute.
This dude just gave me a unicorn donut. Uh-oh. Oh, she's creeping. That's a girl cop too.
Yeah,
Girl cops are like the scariest.
I'm petrified.
Dude, if a guy cop comes up to me, like I'll be like, oh, hey, what's up? Girl cops? Oh,
And then a biker cop is worse than that. And if you get a female biker cop, you're going to
oh,
jail.
you're going to jail. You're going to jail. If there's a female biker cop,
You're screwed, man.
he was a guy that was in front of me the whole time. Fun facts. Cops. Cops. Run your Yoshimura exhaust. Yeah, I have that exhaust on my R1. Crazy. That's literally a sticker.
The sticker.
I bet you that can get you an exhaust ticket. Just having that on your exhaust will get you an exhaust ticket. I promise you. Thank you.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah.
I'll see you on Monday.
I might need some new diapers for you running up on me like that. Literally coming up like on me to like do like a felony arrest on me. I was like, yep, I'm going to jail.
You've never been arrested for a felony arrest if you think that's a felony takedown.
Dude, it's a party here. Literally everybody's here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a party. It's a cop party. Oh. They're literally going around writing everyone tickets. Probably should get out of here.
We good.
Samir.
We're good. We're good.
Hey, they're writing up for the plates.
Seems legit.
I
Yeah.
know, yeah, it works, right?
Seems
It's
legit.
quick job. Quick job.
Seems legit.
Hey, I like your car though. Pretty cool. I like it.
you.
Oh, we're wild. I like your jacket too, man. You need one of these. We just gotta get you one of the masks and then we rolling. We should race sometime though. We should take a little race. We never race.
Yeah, I'll give you like a 20-minute head start.
That's
never know.
I'm thinking 21. You gotta give me 21.
I'll give you a 21-minute long head start. $5 says I get pulled over on my way up.
You know, you're really lucky you didn't shatter the glass
Yeah,
behind you
I
when you
know.
were revving.
I need to be super careful with that like stuff because also at the same time like what if people forget is that there's a turbo spinning in there at 30,000 revolutions per minute, and if any of those bits fly out of there, it's a bullet. And I just thought about that and I was like, oh. Like literally if I'm revving my car, I need to get like people can stand to the side of it, but like you cannot stand behind it. It's literally a bullet.
Right.
Bye.
Literally a mob following.
That's awesome. I just got back from dinner, and it doesn't even need an explanation. Okay. I mean, somebody took their time on this thing to wrap it around. Like when you TP a car, like you know, you just throw it all over the place. This thing got wrapped around very nicely. Oh wow, look at the exhaust tips. The license plate got covered up too. Wow. Somebody took their time on this thing.
Do you like it?
Points for effort.
It took me an hour to do this. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm never leaving my car at your house ever again.